So we're almost through tax season. In fact, yesterday was the tax deadline, but $3,200. Average person is receiving about $3,200 payout. That's a 10% increase. What's the difference? Well, many are there was an increase in the child tax credit and earned income credit and head of household credit. Those took people way more than they were expecting. And many people were able to uh, really take advantage of other incentives, even though the unemployment incentive, the 10,000 no tax if you got $10,200, that was good for 2020, but it was not good in 2021. But there were other incentives that came about that people were taking advantage of. But the other big piece is 56% of people are using a CPA this year than last year. And that means 44% is using some sort of tax software. So people are seeing the value. And the reason for that CPA is because, again, with all the different changes and with all the chaos that's going on in the actual tax atmosphere, people want to have some expertise behind their side to actually look at their situation. That's a good thing. The other thing that maybe you've heard from a tribal knowledge standpoint or just in conversation with people, audits. Have you ever been worried about getting audited? Well, turns out only about 1% of returns are actually audited. So it's not as common as you may think. But $3,200. What will you do with it, or what could you do with extra $3,200?